Hi guys, today we'll show you how to fix Google Maps if it's not showing routes or directions on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then find and select Google Maps from the list. Tap Location to manage Google Maps location permissions. Select Always under Location Access if available, and make sure Precise Location is enabled. This allows Google Maps to accurately access your location for navigation. Go back to the main settings screen, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Find Google Maps in the list of apps and tap it. Tap Offload App and confirm. Once the app is offloaded, reinstall Google Maps from the App Store. Open Google Maps again. Enter your destination and check whether the available routes and directions are now showing correctly. And that's how you can troubleshoot Google Maps not showing routes or directions on your iPhone. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.